Stavanger Filmmakers. Sånn, ja.
How are you, man?
Yeah. I mean, I guess. I'm doing.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Man. I'm sorry. I see
Uh-huh.
something is going on.
Yeah. I broke up with, my girlfriend.
You okay?
After,
Given circumstances.
yeah, I'm doing okay.
I understand.
Not really.
Not really.
No.
Okay. And it's very important that you are honest about that, man. And I'm here for you. Listen,
What?
it might sound crazy, right? So don't pay
Tell
attention
me.
to how crazy it is, but it will help. I guarantee that. Okay.
Okay.
There are 3 things you need to do. So advice number 1. Try to look in the mirror for 30 minutes, right in your eyes,
Okay.
and just say that you're fantastic. And repeat it. I'm fantastic. Say you're beautiful. And then you repeat again. I'm beautiful. You're strong. And you say, yes, I'm strong. Say you're smart. Yes, I'm smart. You deserve it. Yes, I deserve it. You know? This.
Okay.
Do it in half an hour, man. And you will see the transformation starting. So that's the first step. Another thing that you can do, you can go around, like a beautiful park like this and try to find or see yourself in everything you see around. Like in trees, in grass, in flowers, so
Okay.
things around. And if suddenly you will see a person that you want to see yourself in, you can also come to this person and say, "Can I hug you, please?" And if she says, "Okay," do it, man. Do it. It will help a lot. So this is the second stage. You're almost there. Almost there. And the third thing that is really, really important. Try to go to the playground and have fun alone.
Okay.
Just do crazy things. You can laugh, you can jump, you can eat soil or whatever you want to do, like a kid. Like do it. Slide down on the slides or whatever you will find there. Just have fun, huh? And I guarantee that after you've done this, you will feel happy and you'll find the love of your life. I guarantee that.
Why not?
Sound crazy?
Yes.
But you notice that you're already feeling better because you're just thinking about this. You're already there, man. You will do it. I promise you, it will be great. Okay? And
Okay.
I'm here covering your back. Because I'm
Thank
your
you.
best friend.
Thank you.
No problem. Are you ready?
Yes.
Come on!
Right. Okay.
That's it.
You have a great smile. I have a great smile. You have nice glasses. I've got nice glasses. I've got a great posture. I've got incredible hair. You got nice hands. I've got nice hands. You are the best. I'm the best. You're gorgeous. I am gorgeous. It's so good to see you. thank you so much for last time. What you told me then was everything I needed. I took everything, I did everything with heart, and now it's my body is 10 times lighter. I am. It's so much joy in this world. I can see it now. I can finally see it. I'm just really happy for the words you gave me, and I want you to have these flowers. It's I really took it to heart.
Man, what's wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Man,
You told me
told you what?
to connect with myself and nature. You don't. Yes, a few days ago you told me this.
Man, I really don't remember. Was it Saturday? Man, a few days ago I've been so stoned.
What?
Did you two
You don't remember
Did you two
what you told me?
Did you tell something?
You told me something. Yes. Everything I did was. You told me to
I don't remember.
connect with nature and what?
But you look kind of different.
No, nothing.
No?
Nothing. You said nothing. You didn't say anything.
Okay, sorry man. Saturday is my stone day. So please, don't call me on Saturday. But it seems you feel much better now. Something in your hair. I think you look beautiful.
You're beautiful.